Okay, so this $6 per hour, what does it tell us? Cost per hour, so Y per X. So the Y is cost and the hour is X. So if I write my point, this would say hour, comma, cost. The point that represents this would be 1, comma, 6. And then the point that represents this one would be 4, comma, 24. So it wants the slope given 2 points. Now I have some of you that have remembered that the change in y over the change in x gives you slope. So you could take 24 and subtract 6. And when you do 24 minus 6, you get 18. So the change in y over the change in x is 18 over this side. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 18 over 3. And we know 18 divided by 3 is 6. So the slope would be 6. Now, for those that needed to use stat edit, you can do that. Stat edit. And we put in 1 in list 1, then 6 in list 2. And just using the calculator to check my work, because you know when you're videoing things online, all kinds of stuff happen, and you want to make sure the answer is correct, as well as the process. So then after you've typed in your points, you press stat, go over to calc, go down to 4. Enter, 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 make sure that says list 1 and list 2. And there it is. Your slope sits next to x. A is 6, so we did it right. Way to go, team. Woohoo! Moving on. Time is of the essence, people. Okay, so it wants me to write the equation of the line that represents the graph and point slope. Not too bad. So first, let's write what these points are. This is -2, -2. And what does that mean? Well, the equation, if you use this point, would be y plus 2 equals, I need the slope, x plus 2. Remember, those signs change, okay? When you have a negative number that you're plugging in. Let's find the slope. Up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 3/4. And that's the slope. Now, what's this point? 1, 2, and then 1. So this is 0.2, comma 1, but they're both positive. So this is your x, and this is your y. Be careful. Y goes here. The slope is 3/4. We know it's positive, so we did that right. It's pointing up when you read it from left to right. And then x minus 2. Remember, the x goes not here, but here. Let's write the formula. Y minus y1 is m parentheses x minus x1. So I have my x1 here plugged in, my y1 here plugged in, and my slope. You notice how I have minus signs here? That's because I didn't have a negative on either of my coordinates, okay? Number 14. So, a plane can carry a cargo weight, a maximum cargo weight of, okay, so this is the maximum weight. I see the word domain.